Hi everyone, Mark from Image One Camera and Video. Today I'm going to show you how to take images you've taken with your Panasonic Lumix camera and send them over to your phone with these quick and easy steps. The first thing you need to do is download Panasonic's Image app. This is available on both Android and iOS. Next, go to your camera, hit the menu button, go down to your Settings tab, then go into the Wi-Fi options. And you want to go into Wi-Fi function. Once you get to this screen, you want to go ahead and hit the New Connection setting. Then you go into the Remote Shooting and View menu. So now your camera is setting up a Wi-Fi connection. Next, go to your phone and click on Settings, and then go on to your Wi-Fi settings. And you'll see the camera appear as one of the Wi-Fi networks. Just click on it, and you'll connect to the camera. The next step, your camera is going to be asking you to open up the app. So go to your phone, open up the Panasonic app, and it will automatically connect for you. Now you have the option to either take pictures remotely by using your phone as a remote control device, or you can transfer your images by using this menu. Once you get to this screen, you can either transfer select images, or you can transfer the whole batch of images. In this case, we're just going to select one image to transfer the phone. So we select the image, and then in the bottom left-hand screen of your phone, you'll see this transfer button. Just click on that, and it's copied over your phone. It's that easy. And now, just to confirm we have the image, we're going to exit the app, and we're going to go to the gallery. And we can see your image there, and now we can share it with the world. I hope that information was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or concerns, please contact us here at Image One Camera and Video. We're happy to help out. Have a great day.